Get ready to explore some of the coolest gadgets that are perfect for your home, gifts, or just making life easier. From innovative kitchen tools to thoughtful gifts and even clever party games, this lineup has something for everyone. Let's dive in. This is the Refrigerator Deodorizer, a game changer for freshening up your fridge. Using advanced catalytic decomposition tech, it eliminates odors at the source and keeps your food fresher longer. Say goodbye to baking soda. This lasts up to 10 years without replacements. Made of durable SUS 304 stainless steel, it's stylish, compact, and works in drawers, cars, or even gym bags. Fragrance-free, chemical-free, and eco-friendly, it's the perfect gift to show you care. Keep your spaces fresh with ease. This is the hand massager with compression and heating, perfect for soothing hand fatigue. With 4 airbags using acupressure therapy, it targets your wrist, palm, and fingers to improve circulation. Lightweight and portable, it's rechargeable and works for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. Whether it's for Valentine's Day, a birthday, or just because, this massager makes the perfect gift for anyone needing a little hand relaxation. Easy to use, no cords, and super comfortable. It's the gift that keeps on giving. This is the HP20 Microscope for kids, a 3-in-1 educational tool that combines a handheld microscope, DV camera, and telescope. With 100x 1000x magnification, kids can explore the microscopic world and capture photos and videos with a built-in microphone. It includes 5 colorful filters for enhanced viewing and connects to your PC for real-time larger views. Compact, rechargeable, and portable with a 32GB SD card for storing discoveries, this microscope is perfect for science adventures at home, school, or outdoors. Make learning fun with this exciting gift. This is the ULO Wine Purifier, the secret to sulfite-free, smoother wine. It removes artificial sulfites and histamines, preserving the wine's natural flavors and aromas. With its patented selective sulfite filter, it enhances every sip without altering the wine's chemistry. Plus, it doubles as an aerator, perfect for bold reds or delicate whites with its on-off switch. Simple to use, dishwasher safe, and made from BPA-free materials, Ullo is the perfect way to restore taste and enjoy a cleaner, more enjoyable glass of wine. This is the Ulo Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest, your new kitchen hero. Keep your counters clean with raised edges that catch drips from spoons, spatulas, and more. With 4 slots to organize your utensils, it helps you stay clutter-free while cooking. Heat-resistant and non-slip, it's perfect for near the stove and easy to clean. Just toss it in the dishwasher. Durable, affordable, and mess-free, this utensil rest adds value to any kitchen. A perfect gift for anyone who loves a tidy cooking space. This is the Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnet Cooking Guide, your ultimate air frying companion. With over 120 food entries, it gives you precise cooking times and tips for perfect meals every time. Made from premium, tear-proof materials, it's waterproof, easy to clean, and conveniently hangs or sticks to your fridge. Featuring a steak doneness guide, veggie tips, and dessert ideas, this guide is a must-have for any kitchen. Ideal for air fryer fans, it's the perfect gift for anyone looking to cook with confidence. This is the Clean Ball, the clever way to keep your bags spotless. Just roll it around in your purse, backpack, or school bag, and it picks up all the dirt, dust, and crumbs. Small, practical, and reusable. Simply rinse it clean and use it again. Made in Germany with 100% recyclable materials, it's the perfect accessory for anyone on the go. Keep your bags fresh and clean with this must-have gadget. This is the Sato Dip Clip, the ultimate in-car sauce holder. Say goodbye to messy snacks. Sato keeps your dipping sauces secure, no spills, no drips. Its 5-in-1 design fits most major sauce cups, plus it includes a reusable cup for ketchup lovers. Designed to grip any vent type, it stays put on bumpy roads. With multiple pack options, it's the perfect gift for sauce fanatics. Grab yours and make every car snack a dip-worthy delight. This is the Nostalgia Tabletop Smores Maker, the perfect way to bring campfire fun indoors. With a flameless electric heater, you can roast marshmallows to golden perfection without the hassle of an open flame. It includes 2 stainless steel forks and 4 trays for graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, making it easy to share with the whole family. Easy to clean and built for fun. It's a must-have for movie nights or any cozy get-together. Enjoy delicious s'mores without leaving home. This is the 9-in-1 MultiTool Pen, the ultimate stocking stuffer for men. Packed with 9 handy tools, it includes a pen, screwdrivers, stylus, bottle opener, phone holder, bubble level, and even an LED light. Made from durable aluminum, it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, engineers, and anyone who loves gadgets. A great gift for Father's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. It's compact, practical, and designed to last. Twist to reveal each tool, and you've got a multitasker that's ready for anything. This is the LED flashlight gloves, the perfect Valentine's Day gift for him. With 2 built-in LED lights, these gloves are perfect for hands-free illumination during fishing, car repairs, or outdoor activities. Made with adjustable, elastic fabric and waterproof design, they fit most hands comfortably. These gloves last about 30 hours on a single charge, making them a practical, cool gadget for anyone who needs extra light. A must-have tool gift for men or women, perfect for your boyfriend, dad, or anyone who loves getting things done in the dark. This is ShockT, the electrifying party game that takes tossing fun to the next level. Choose from 3 game modes: Extreme for a shocking finish, Normal for a pulse-raising challenge, and Lame for a music-only mode. Perfect for teens, it's a hilarious way to test your friends' reactions. Just press start, toss it around, and brace yourself for the jolt. Whether you're hosting a party or just having fun, ShockT guarantees laughs and a little shock along the way. Ready for the challenge? This is the Youngan Pickle Fork, the perfect tool for easy, mess-free pickle grabbing. With its stainless steel tip and silicone rings, it's safe, durable, and fits most jar sizes. Whether you're at home or on a camping trip, this fork keeps your hands clean while reaching into deep jars. The compact, lightweight design makes it super convenient to use and store. A great gift for pickle lovers, it's ideal for any occasion: birthdays, holidays, or just as a fun kitchen gadget. This is the Iago Smart Heated Coffee Mug Warmer and Mug Set, the perfect gift to keep your loved one's coffee at the perfect temperature all day long. Featuring precise 1°F temperature control, this set includes a sleek 15-aught ceramic mug, matching lid and spoon. Whether at home or the office, it heats up quickly, saving energy while keeping your beverage warm without overcooking it. Plus, it auto-shuts off after 15 minutes for safety. Give the gift of cozy, perfectly warm drinks with Iago, a thoughtful, everyday essential for any coffee lover. This is the simple spreading stainless steel butter spreader, your 3-in-1 solution for effortless spreading. Made from durable stainless steel and crafted with precision German machinery, it ensures smooth, even spreads every time. Perfect for butter, jam, or cream cheese, this butter knife is built to last. Make spreading a breeze with simple spreading. This is the Katamco toilet timer, as seen on Shark Tank, a fun and functional gift that runs for about 5 minutes, ensuring bathroom breaks don't turn into marathons. No more 40-minute escapes, just set the timer, and when time's up, it's time to go. With sturdy construction and a unique mechanism that resets instantly, it's the perfect gift for Christmas, Father's Day, or any occasion. Make bathroom time more fun and practical with Katamco. Thanks for watching. If you love these gadgets, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome finds. Let us know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss our next video. See you next time.